So let's talk today about multi-level data and multi-level modeling. And let's just jump right into it because there's a lot to cover, and everything we do later hinges on some kind of fundamental points here in the morning. So by multi-level data, it's a specific term. Different disciplines, different kind of sub-disciplines, fields, areas of inquiry use different terminology for this, but we're all talking about something somewhat common or similar. That is, if you have a nested data or clustered data, or a clustered sampling procedure will lead to this kind of data. The idea here is it involves, in some way, two sampling schemes, right? Both of them might not be random, where we typically make the assumptions that we're sampling at random